Hello, welcome back to Bucks County Beer Reviews. I was wondering if anyone picked up on the theme of the cans in the beginning of the video. If you did, put it in the comments below. And today we're looking at a gift beer. It's been in my fridge for quite a while now. I figured I better get it out of there. It came from this guy right here. Drew at Beer for Breakfast, Facts for Snacks. And this one is the Juiced Seagull. This is a blood orange wheat ale from Cowbell Brewing. And Cowbell Brewing is in Blythe, B-L-Y-T-H, Ontario. All right. Blood orange wheat ale, a refreshing wheat ale with natural citrus and banana flavors, jacked with a burst of berry from fresh tropical blood oranges. Pump up your taste buds with Juiced Seagull, 5% ABV. Check that out. This would kind of fit in with my theme, you know, not exactly, but close. Let's get it open. Thank you very much, Drew. Anybody watching this video, if you've never checked out Beer for Breakfast, Facts for Snacks, check it out. He's extremely entertaining. More entertaining than me, but I got beer cans, so there. All right, here we go. Look at that. It's clear mostly, you know. Got a little haze to it, but mostly clear. Not much aroma. I'm picking up a little orange though. On Untappd, this one gets a 3.57 with 1,405 ratings. 5% ABV, 15 IBU. It smells nice. Orange, really not picking up anything else. Let's try the head. Yep, there's the orange. Has a slight bit of tartness to it, but it's not really a tart or sour beer. And I'm happy about that. Nice orange flavor. Let's dive in. Cheers. Not bad. Not bad at all. If you like orange flavoring in your beer, this is the one for you. One more look. Juiced Seagull. I think Drew has gotten around to review the last beer that I sent him. He was waiting for a blizzard. I think he recorded it in the snow outside. I don't know that for sure yet. His video's not out that I've seen. I'm looking forward to it though. This one is refreshing. Very refreshing. It's a little bit sweet. I'm not detecting any bitterness. Got a nice orange flavor. Very smooth and refreshing. Nothing offensive about it. I like it. 3.57. I think I would go probably 3.75. It's nice. It's a nice beer. Thank you again, Drew. Yeah, let's look at some beer cans. I was thinking about doing it different, this theme that I started, but I'll just see if anybody gets it in the comments. Looks like more imported cans. I have this one already, Swan Lager Export, open from the bottom. This one's in really nice shape. I think it's a little better than the one I have. By the Swan Brewery in Perth, Western Australia. I've always liked this can. I had it when I was a kid. There's just something about it. Oh, excuse me. Brisbane Bitter. I think I've seen this. I think it was in one of the other boxes, maybe a duplicate. Brewed and canned by Carlton and United Breweries in Australia. We're out of the Europe box and we're back in Australia. Here we go. Abbott's Lager. A little bit dirty, rusty. Carlton and United Breweries in Australia. Bogues Lager. Bogues. I remember saying Bogues in one of the other boxes. So I don't know. Where was Bogues from? Tasmanian Breweries, Australia. Launceston. Let's do one more. Henley on Todd, Alice Springs. What is this? I'm looking at the back of the can. It's Southwark Bitter. And it has something on the back here. The Camel Cup. They play some kind of sport on camels. I don't really know much about that. All right, that's going to do it. Thanks for watching, everybody. And thank you, Drew. Beer for breakfast, facts for snacks. Try something different. That's his motto. And I try to try different things. Doing beer reviews was a different thing for me. And I certainly like trying different kinds of beer. So thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time. Bye-bye.